Today on Dive Vibe, we take our first look at Neck's underwater products. All right. Today, we're unboxing some regulators from Neck's underwater products. Actually, I reached out to these guys because I thought their regulators were pretty cool and I wanted to give them a shot. So these were sent to me by Neck's underwater products. Great people over there. They were fun to deal with, fun to talk to. Ended up talking to the head honcho, Jared, over there for quite a long time on the phone. He's an interesting dude. But anyway, he sent this stuff over. They started out, I got to save some of this for the review, but they started out doing hoses and custom hoses and then progressed onto regulators. And the regulators look pretty nice. Well, we've got these hoses right here. I guess we could take a look at these first. So I know they do some interesting stuff with hoses. So when they asked what hoses I needed, I was pretty excited to check them out. They've kind of sent me an assortment. They're not all the same. So this is actually what I was most interested in. This nice black coating on these hoses is super cool. I think it's a PVD coating because that's what they use on their blue stuff, but I'll check on that for the review video. We've got the swivel on the regulator, or the first stage end, rather. That's pretty cool. Keeps the hoses from binding up. More inflator hoses. And then, of course, they also have the regular chrome if you don't want black. And we got the black 90-degree elbows to match, which is sick. And I prefer rubber hoses, but they sent me the 7-foot hose in a MyFlex just so you guys could, or MyFlex style, just so you guys could see what that looks like. It's a really nice hose. I'm also not big into swivels, but if you're into a swivel, this is a nicer way to go about it. This is similar to the atomic swivel, which I've never seen explode underwater, which I cannot say for all swivels. It's a really nice hose. All these hoses are exceptional. The high pressure hoses, wow, that feels super beefy. That's nice. It's high pressure. Oh, and as per the usual, obviously I'm under no obligation to provide a positive review, even though these were sent to me. I'm not being paid for this review. And Jared was actually very specific that he didn't want just to purchase a good review, basically. He was looking for an honest review. So I like that. Always a solid way to go, right? Being honest to your customers. That's nice. Okay. Neck's underwater products. Let's check it out. So they're designed and assembled in California. I'm not sure where they make them, but they're assembling them in California, which is pretty cool. Making custom hoses out there and stuff. All these things are not like the other. Got the first stages. So they're sent over with just about everything you can get. So we've got the first stages, which are quite nice. These are, I'll talk about it more in the review, but these are actually modular first stages. I'll explain that more in the review. This is just an unboxing, so let's unbox. One thing I really like about this is this chrome does not look like your garden variety chrome. This looks like a step above. The chroming is really nice on this. A little heavy, but I don't know if it's actually that heavy. There's a lot to this regulator. I'm actually going to weigh these for the video. Let me know, by the way, if you have any questions about these regulators specifically. Tell me now so that I can, and in the comments, so that I can address it in the review video that I'm going to do in the coming weeks. All right, so we've got that. Nice, beautiful, looks good. Let's see the blue version. That's what everybody wants to see. Oh, nice. Nice. That is actually really nice looking. I'm excited to see how this holds up. I've seen varying levels of success with PVD coatings, so I'm interested to see how long this lasts, but man, it looks really nice right now. It's awesome. And then they sent me two different second stages, the 2 and the 2.5. So I've got the big one and the little one. Both of these are adjustable. Both have venturis. Both are actually, I want to see how much they weigh. Obviously, the bigger one's gonna weigh more, but they don't feel like that much of a difference. These mouthpieces are nice. These are not as chintzy as some of the mouthpieces that you see included on some regulators. But these are not chintzy regulators. This is not like a low tier brand. This is a step above. This is more in line with like your Atomic or your Scuba Pro. These are high-end regulators, not budget stuff. But I am extremely excited to get these in the water and give them a shot, because I've never dove NEX regulators before. They won Scuba Lab 2022. That's pretty awesome. And man, they look pretty nice. I don't want to get too into it, but I'm excited about these. I think it's gonna be nice. All right, so don't forget, let me know what questions you have. Almost forgot. Did they send me any swag? Whoa, that's a big sticker. Sticker. Boom. Something for the surfboard. A little swag is always nice. So don't forget to let me know what questions you have in the comments. That would be great. And make sure you subscribe so when the review video comes out, you get notified. I would like to take a quick second, as always, to say thank you to my patrons on Patreon. Their support for the channel goes a long way, and if you would like to support the channel as well, you can follow the link to Patreon in the pinned comment below and receive my eternal gratitude. I'd also like to extend my gratitude to you for watching today. I really appreciate it. So thanks for diving with me today, and I'll see you in the water.